All right, well,
Well,
we're here as a team, me and Matt, doing it. Here we go.
yeah,
All right, so Matt hasn't really worked with GitHub yet. He's been just posting online, so we're just going to go through and kind of set it up so he can put all of his awesome, amazing applications he's developed into the hub.
yeah. The right way, not the dumb way.
Copy and paste.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay. What happened?
Now you got to launch it. Oh, there it is.
That's right.
Let it load.
Oh, that's not good.
I'll close it and just reopen it.
Okay.
There we go. I'll just pull it up again. I think it's just in your Windows menu.
It was the installer that crashed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which website did you download it from?
From desktop.github.com.
Huh. So it installed though, right?
It's going, yeah. So let's see. No, it didn't. Well, I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's good. Log in here with your GitHub and everything.
So I can remember my password.
Oh.
That's okay. Like a billion passwords, and I can't remember which one it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
All right.
I know there's repositories.
Go to your yeah. So no
It's talking
local.
about local. Okay.
Yeah. So go head over to your dashboard. A
Skip.
little link underneath it.
Oh, right here. Got it.
Okay, now doing the command line tool, so it's just taking all the command lines.
That's the waiting music.
Yep. Well, I have some good music, but I can't play it because I have my headphones in. All right, and then on the top left, there's the plus sign.
Mm-hmm.
Click on that. Create. Do clone. Oh,
Great.
sorry. Type. No. So the clone tab at the top.
Yeah, see that.
And then that one. Yep.
Okay.
Click on clone.
Check.
Yep.
Okay. I'm so scared to break stuff.
Okay. So here's what you want to do. Let's see. You could put it underneath your GitHub folder right there.
Yeah, probably will.
Yeah, probably best. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So now it's cloning everything. So it's pulling all the data from the web into here. All right. So that's everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here's the only thing you have to do differently now. So take that, whatever you're working on, where is it?
It is right here.
Okay. Now you need to, how am I gonna do that? So go to where oh man, go to your NetBeans real quick.
Okay.
So you have your Eagle app as a separate project, right?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, so go to where that is on your folders.
Okay.
On your Finder. Sorry.
Let's see. Okay. Forgot I didn't have both windows shared. Okay.
All right. You're going to want to drag that Eagle app, drag it in. So open up another Finder window. And then put them one on each side so I can see.
Gosh, I was going to say, I'm so used to freaking having both my monitors.
All right. And then on the left one, go over to that directory GitHub. think it was under your C drive somewhere. I can't remember where it was.
Well, let's see. I don't remember.
Click on your GitHub real quick, the desktop tool. Let's see. No. Oh yeah, open and explore.
There we go.
All right, so
it's under.
Yeah, get rid of that one. Just pull that one out.
Okay.
Now you're gonna want to go that. Here's what we can do. This will make it really easy. Take, click on bald eagle on the left. Double click it. Sorry. Now pull that eagle app into there. What this is gonna do though is your NetBeans is gonna break. Do you see that at the bottom?
Can I not? Should I not copy it?
No. So the reason you don't want to copy is go to your NetBeans now.
Yeah, it's super mad.
Yeah. So press OK. And basically what you would just do is you'd get rid of, oh, it's not there anymore. See?
Yeah,
and then you just have to open project from another location. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So then you have to just go to that directory. Matt,
Put it in documents.
GitHub. Open that team, open Bald Eagle, open Eagle app. All right.
Bam.
So you go, okay, so this is your local repository. So any saves you make here, so let's say click on over here, that key in, put a comment above the key in on line 57. Just put like a weird
So this
comment.
isn't in it. This is from something else.
No, that, oh, okay. Sorry, go into something within your Eagle app then.
So let's close that and.
All right, so just basically make some comment like in here, online, anywhere.
It wiped everything. So.
Oh, it wiped everything?
It's probably because. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. This is from. Yeah.
Okay, so save that. Then close down your, or just minimize your window. Okay, so now that you've done that, it's saved it into what's called your local repository. Okay. So we're actually not going to use that tool. We're going to just go open the
Close
command line. You can leave it open, just minimize it, but either or.
So let's see. Is that in the list of apps?
CMD. Just type that.
Mm.
All right, back to old DOS prompts. So now you're going to change your do you know how to do like change directory and stuff?
Yeah, to what?
Go to your documents and drill all the way down to that path.
Let's see. If I'm already, I got to go further. I can't remember.
dir. That lists everything in your directory.
Well, yeah, so. Oh, crap.
CD Matt.
Let's see.
And then, yeah. CD document. GitHub. And I usually have this copied in like a sticky note just to do it really quick.
Bam, in here. Do I?
All right. Go into there.
Into the Team 5 one?
Yep.
Okay.
I think if you put an asterisk, doesn't it do it for you if you put a wild card?
Oh,
put an asterisk sign and then press enter. Woohoo. Okay. Go into Bald Eagle now. Okay. Now do dir. So this is everything in here. Like, because if you remember, you looked up at online. It has all of this in it, right? It has that diagrams that you put in there. This is all online, right? That's what it looks like. Yeah. Except that online doesn't have your Eagle app that you just barely made in there, right?
Right.
So what you're going to do here is 3 commands. Ready?
Okay.
Git, GIT, add, then space, and then a dot. Enter. Ah, dang it. Wait to install command line tools. All right, go to the internet real quick.
Okay.
Just have to do git command line tools and install that. I don't know what it looks like, so you want to share your screen, that part, just so I can see, because I've always wondered what it looks like on Windows. All right, so just downloads. Right.
We'll try this.
What?
We'll try this.
All right.
The last time I installed Git, it put like a PowerShell command line on here.
Oh, really?
Well, on the computer that I was on, yeah. So I must have done something weird.
Oh, so that's what it does. Ha. It installs Ming. That's funny.
That is weird. Gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Use it from the command prompt. That'll be easier. Wait. Go back. This option is considered safe as only has to get rapid share path. Oh, okay. Good.
Yeah, we're good.
Yep. Check out window style. Yep. Good. So basically this creates everything. It creates a thing in your path, and so then you can start running git commands from your command line.
I could have sworn there was a way to open command prompt from the window.
From where?
From whatever window you're in for the directory.
Just Command R. Oh, I see what you're saying. Like click on the directory and then say open in command line.
Yeah.
You a Windows person?
Uh-huh.
Oh, man, I like Windows, but I definitely love my Mac because I love it because I'm on both right now. I'm on Windows and Mac. So like all I have to do with my magic mouse is basically just have two fingers go over and I go back to my Windows environment. I can play there, then back to my Mac environment.
That's cool.
But
I mean, that's cool. The way you do it, you just select this, type CMD, and it opens in that directory.
Oh wait, show me that again.
So you just click in the address bar, type CMD, and it opens in that directory.
Whoa, I did not. That's pretty sweet.
Pretty awesome. Okay.
Launch git bash. Okay, so that opens that's the Linux version. Okay, so let's go back to your command prompt.
Can I close this?
Yeah. And type git status. Oh, dang it.
Let me close it and reopen it again just to make sure. Git status.
Okay, well, let's go open up that Ming bash thing real quick. I think it was called Ming bash or just maybe bash. There we go, git bash.
Git bash.
Then here, so the equivalent is ls instead of dir.
Right.
So I would just copy that directory path over on your C drive.
I gotta go back one and then go forward. There we go.
And now you're
gonna still CD, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't like that. Oh, it's because
do PWD.
It already. So yeah. So it already has me in GitHub.
Oh, because it's the opposite. Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. It starts in your profile folder. Let's see. Team. Can I do wildcards in here?
Yeah.
Sweet. And then I
So
want
look,
bald
so look,
eagle.
that's it shows you right here because you have this. That's your master
Oh,
directory.
yeah, that's awesome.
So then CD in more,
Okay,
and then LS.
here it is.
And if you do LS minus LRT, that might be easier. Minus LRT. That might help you. It's a lot cleaner look. So online, if you go to the web real quick, go to our GitHub. Look at that. Less than almost 20 minutes. I can show you this whole thing.
Let's see.
And no one's even joined.
We're not bitter though, right?
No, we're not.
Of course not.
All right. So go to the Bald Eagle folder. Okay. So you see down here on your local repository, you have a bunch of files that you've been editing, right?
Right.
So let's say now you want to push it up there. So what you're going to do is you do git add and then a space dot. So what that says is git add everything in this directory. Add it to my buffer that I'm getting ready to send.
So return?
Okay. Yep. All right. Now you're going to do git commit and then dot at the end. Git commit everything. Okay. Yeah. Git commit with one T.
Oh, my bad.
Now here, this is VI. This one might be weird to you. So at the top, you see how it's kind of, there's a bouncing line character. Just type in some words right here. Like I'm uploading or something. Oh, wait. I'm uploading. Okay. Do you know much about VI mode?
I mean, I know what it is. I've used it before, but I haven't done it in a long time.
Press escape. And as you saw, that little insert at the bottom went away. Then press shift and colon.
Yeah.
And then WQ.
Yeah.
There you go. And that basically says it made all of these things right here. As you can see, that whole entire folder and all the contents within it. It has 8 files that were changed, committed. Those were committed locally. So now everything you have locally is committed. So you need to remember those 2 commands. First, you add everything that you've made. You commit everything. And then you do git push. And don't put a dot. All right?
And that's it?
Yep. And then, yeah, it lets you, I have to do that.
Okay.
I think that's just your Windows. Oh, yeah, never mind. You're right. Okay.
That's one thing I do a lot of is command or credential pop-ups. All right.
Okay. So now it wrote those objects, refresh the web. You're good to go.
Sweet.
So just remember those 3 commands: git add, dot, git commit, dot, and then push. Now, for example, you're inside of the Bald Eagle app, right?
Right.
So if you were to go up a directory, cd up,
Oops.
that command prompt, cd space dot up, dot there. Now, if you were to do it from here, do a ls minus lrt, it would push, if you did like a git commit, git push, it would push every single person's folder up to the GitHub.
Right.
So for example, if I was working on something right now and I pushed it up to the cloud, you won't have it locally. Does that make sense? Yeah. So like look at my folder. If I put something in there and you just decided all of a sudden to push, it would undo all of my changes. I'd still have them though on my own system. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that whatever you're working on, you're in that directory and you only push that one thing or those things inside of that directory.
So can't I though bring up this GitHub app and Can I make it?
Yes.
Oh, sure.
So there's a way, click on the repository in the top left, and then it should open. On the right side, there's a sync.
Oh yeah,
I
sweet.
don't know the sync. I don't know the sync command, but you could obviously do it on your command line. But I always just sync from here.
Yeah,
There's a
cool.
command in there, but I don't know. But yeah, I always. You can also push everything using that desktop tool, but I've been told there's problems with it. Like at the bottom on the left, there's like a commit thing sometimes
Oh yeah, yeah.
somewhere. But I wouldn't recommend it because I've had it break on me. So
Okay. Okay.
is that
Sweet.
it?
That should do it. So it did. I did forget to save my code, which is fine because a lot of it is gonna have to be redone anyway. So
Okay. Let's see then. So, looking at your diagrams, you have the Eagle use case diagram. Okay, so these are just the kind of the attributes we need to do with them.
yeah, they're just things we have to consider. Processes we need to remember are gonna have to happen.
Okay.
And I in no way am like stating that these are all the way good and done, but I think they at least give us a good start. The find eagle sequence diagram, this one, we need to do
Yeah.
another one for reporting an eagle for
Okay.
this process right here, report eagle. So I'll do that probably again
I'm
this weekend.
amazed at how you do these diagrams. Those diagrams are so confusing to me.
They're hard. It takes a little while to get them laid out because, like, for example, in this one, so when you're finding an eagle, this whole request for input, um, this loop actually should be lower, but it's supposed to loop this until it gets everything that's been requested
Mm-hmm.
and then displays it down here. Putting this loop in, obviously I messed up because it's not right where it's supposed to be. There's no way to explain that the process loops until essentially until it's pulled everything. And so unless you do this loop for each thing. So anyway, yeah, it's a pain. There's another. Oh, here's the report one. I guess I did do the report one. I thought I didn't.
Okay.
So this one, that's why the loop's in the wrong spot is because I borrowed this exact same loop. But so you're
Yeah.
going to report an eagle. It's going to request for input every eagle that you until you're completed, and then it will send you back to the main menu basically. So this whole process gets looped before it goes to complete.
Okay, that makes sense. How's
So
it
I
going,
mean,
Justin?
like, oh hey,
Hey,
this kind of stuff we should just. I think if we went and just programmed it out, it would just logically happen. But
Okay.
it's good to kind of have it pre-planned and know, okay, this is where we need to remember to build loop for this,
Okay.
whatever. So honestly, I'm not gonna say diagrams are garbage, but there's definitely a group dedicated to just diagramming things that don't have to bother with other things where we're kind of doing sort of doing everything, and so it's hard to like go into diagram mode and then go into programming mode and not
Yeah.
have them cross. So
Yeah, that makes
so
sense.
yeah. The use case document was pretty basic. Um, since we have such a simple process, um, there's not a whole lot in there, so it's really
Mhm.
easy to do. But yeah,
Okay, so let's see. Do you want to go over to the GitHub repository?
yeah.
So Justin, you're good with GitHub and everything?
yeah,
Okay.
Let's see.
So
There we go.
all right, so Matt just pushed up basically some of the code to our GitHub. Um, some stuff that he's been working on. So basically, if you go into the Bald Eagle app, then our Eagle app is going to be where all of our code is for this Eagle app.
Okay.
So if you just want to basically download, or once you have it all synced to your local repository, we can start working on this. But we're definitely going to be wanting to work where it's not confusing. So like everyone working on the same code, uploads it, hey, where's all my stuff going? So are you okay with, oh sorry, real quick, Matt, I don't know if you know this, let's open your GitHub application.
This?
Or sorry, the bash, the weird bash.
Oh, yeah.
And then you have one already loaded if you want to do that one that has a path.
Oh, yeah. It's not totally correct. Let's see. Because it's got me in CD. Yeah.
Just do a capital T and then put a star. Yeah, that will help
Okay.
you. I love that feature. Well, I don't hate it and love it, but yeah, whatever.
Which folder do you want me in? Mine?
So go to Bald Eagle. So in here, let's just test something. So what I want you to do is just type the word touch, and then space text dot txt. Okay, so that basically, if you do an ls now, that just created a file called text.txt. So we're gonna git add, and instead of doing a dot there, just do good job.
Yeah.
Crap, that didn't work. I think it's because you just have to do the dot. You're right. Git add dot. Yeah. So that adds everything, and then here is where you can put text.txt, git commit text.txt. There we go.
Cool.
So this will only submit that one file. So if we create a bunch of classes within the application, and then we assign each person that class, that way they can work on specifically their class, and then we can go from there. Does that make sense, Justin, to you, or are you a little confused?
Yeah, I mean, I've never used this program because I just used NetBeans and did it all through that.
Oh, sweet. Another person.
Hey, so no big deal. We just recorded it. When we're done, you'll want to watch it.
Okay. So,
like less than 20 minutes, I taught Matt like how to use Git, because that's what I spent like the first 3 weeks learning. So
this is colon what? I can't remember. Yep.
Colon WQ.
WQ.
It has to be underscore or not capital. So press Shift colon again. WQ.
Good call. And then
Git push.
Push. That's right.
Now if you go online to the web after your credential thingy-majiggy.
I bet it's cached now, so I don't have to do it.
Oh, sick.
So
if you refresh this page, there it is.
Okay.
Okay, so now in this Eagle app, if you click on that folder, and then whatever everyone has it in NetBeans, I think most of our group uses NetBeans, so everyone's gonna love using NetBeans instead. So click on, I can't remember, is it under NetBeans project or the source?
Yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure. Oh, maybe it is under the other one, source. Yeah. There it is.
All right. So underneath the source file is where all of our eagleapp.javas are going to be. Or sorry, so if you go back one directory. So we need to create all of our classes in here. And then, for example, right here, you see that Eagle app.java? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm
Uh-huh.
speaking retardedly today. I've had a long day. All right. So I want you now, Matt, to go to your NetBeans project, add some comments in there, again, just for the heck of it, or delete some comments. Save your file. Go back to your command. Yep. Go to that folder because you don't want to commit the whole. If you're located right now, as you can see, Documents, GitHub, Team, Bald Eagle. I just want to show Justin this. If he doesn't go all the way down to that file that he worked on and he did git add, let's say I had pushed a bunch of changes up to the GitHub, he would rewrite everything that I did.
Huh.
So he's going to go specifically to this one file that he did. It's right there, eagleapp.java. And he's going to only add that, so git add, and then git commit, and put the file name that you're working on.
Okay.
And I can help you out with this, Justin, too. Now, real quick, right here, this is where I think we should have comments that say Brandon, or so put Matt is working on this. And that way, up in the cloud, it won't do that. And so you always have to press I, Matt. I don't know if you knew that. That's what insert does. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, go up. Yeah. And Justin, do you know Linux pretty well or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're fine with VI because this is just VI mode.
Yeah, I know VI.
Okay. And then colon WQ.
Push.
The advantage of using this over just doing it through NetBeans is to better organize with so many people.
Well, yeah, so if I'm about to go do a commit, I can look at the last time. I mean, I can at least see the last time it was done in the web. Where are we at? So, like,
it's working on it.
Yeah, so if I refresh it, it'll show that it was just committed a minute ago.
Uh-huh.
And if I've had this open for 3 hours, I know someone else has already pushed code. So I can come in and look at what's been done.
Uh-huh.
And essentially not push over the top of that, right, Brandon?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
But that's why I'm thinking we should assign every person a class so that you don't go over someone else.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
We're going to have to make a lot of diagrams.
Oh, they're already made because Matt's awesome. They are located. Matt, are you still on or did you step out? Okay. I will share my screen.
No, I'm not connected to this repository. Remind me how to get that.
Oh, you don't have this in your GitHub?
No.
Let me see. Hey Matt, are you still there? He might have just stepped out. Well, I think he has to do that. Unless I can. I don't know if I can.
That's fine.
I don't think I can. But he'll. Oh, members. Nope. You should have it, but yeah, I'll have him add you to that.
Okay. Yeah, I may have missed it.
Oh, okay. Well, so here's our drive in Google Drive. Do you have access to this?
To the Google Drive. Let's see.
Sorry about that.
Well, you guys are seeing the wrong screen.
I just had the dreaded Windows Update force restart, so.
Hey Matt, can you add Justin to that GitHub repository? I guess he doesn't have it.
Oh.
Am I invited to the to the drive as well? Is it?
You should be.
Can I access that through the group?
No, you should just go to your Google Drive and then select the shared with me
Let me see.
on the left-hand
You want to
side.
share your screen? Oh, sorry, this is mine, Matt.
Let's see.
I can't see anything. I'm on my cell phone now because my computer's in world updates.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Gotcha.
So I'll add you to the Git if you're not already there as soon as my computer restarts.
Yeah, let me get you here. Yeah, let me share my screen here so you can see what's going on. How do you share your screen on this format? Oh, wait, here we go.
There you go.
All right, you're going to get a infinity mirror. All right. So are you my GitHub?
Yep. And then on the left, click on the little cat at the top. Oh, there we go. That's where you're getting. So click on that. Yeah. Oh, so you've already been added.
Cool. I'm good then. Sorry about that.
Nope, no problem.
All right. So let's see. I'm saving this.
Hey, Matt.
Another force restart, probably.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No problem. I'm just wondering, with us tonight, us three that are on, I think we should just assign us three out a class that we can all start working on.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish trying to do the menu.
Okay.
And the case statement to carry out the options. I'll also probably do the introduction with that because I forgot that we have an introduction screen that comes on first.
Okay.
And so I'll do that for sure.
All right. So then it sounds like as well we need to do pull my screen.
We need one for find and one for report, and they could end up, especially the report one, could end up being a few different classes actually, with Hibernate and everything considered.
Correct. Report and find, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So really quick, I don't know. Justin, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Jake, I can't do it that way. See, this is the hard. So when you create, so I'm gonna do this real quick, Matt. I don't know if you can see this too, but let's say I have to. You push all those changes just barely, huh? Sync. 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 Sync.
There we go.
All right. So now we should be good. So now if I go, I can open that Bald Eagle app. Open. Project. Bald Eagle. Eagle app. All right. So this is all the code that Matt just put up there.
Okay.
That Eclipse, I gotta tell you guys, I hate Eclipse.
Same.
So confusing. All right. So here's the Eagle app package. We have to follow MVC, don't we?
Say that again.
We have to follow MVC, don't we?
We will be.
Suck. So I'm going to create a new package. Package name will be called Eagle App dot model. This will be our database. Classes can be in here, right? Does that sound good to everybody?
Yep.
Crap, I did that wrong. Let me get rid of that. I don't want to keep you guys all night, so I'll try to hurry.
Okay.
Model. We'll call that one. New Java class. So in here, we're going to probably have the, what's it called? The find eagle, because that's what it's going to be going to the database, right? Is that what the class was called? Matt. Find eagle. Does that sound right? Oh, sorry, Matt, you jumped off.
Yeah, no, I'm here again.
You're probably busy. Sorry if you're busy.
No, you're fine.
So here's this one right here. As Matt said, there's the find eagle class, and then there's the report eagle. So I'm guessing the find eagle class is going to be within our model, which will go to the database. So click there. So now that's there. And then we're going to need, so technically this is our view, huh?
Yeah, it's going to be a couple different views, but that will be the views.
So
Folder.
I'll create a new Java package, call it model view controller. And so basically, oh, should this class be inside of our controller?
Yeah, because the Hibernate is going to be in the model.
I don't even know what that refractor thing is.
I don't either.
Let me just delete that because I messed something up. I can't delete it. Crap. What did I do?
Delete just the file, not the. Delete that. You should be able to delete that.
Okay, so inside of here, does all this make sense to you, Justin, what we're doing?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. This was all new to me. I literally learned this like last week.
Oh.
I had a hour meeting with the professor to learn what MVC was. Controller, find equal, and then so technically this would just be this controller wouldn't really wait. Oh, I put in the wrong one, huh?
No, it's right. Because controller is going to have all of your
logic,
and then model is going to store functions and database stuff.
Okay. So here I'll do JavaScript class. So we'll just do database connection. Are you guys okay with that? We haven't made that yet, but we're gonna have to at some point.
Can you camel case the C?
Huh? Oh yeah.
Camel case that?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Okay, so what was this? In the request eagle?
Report
eagle.
Yeah. So
That's
we
gonna
need
be our
another
controller.
Yeah.
Yep.
Report eagle. Okay. Oh, that's JavaScript.
I was gonna say, I think you made that.
I really think if we just got together for like one day, we could do this whole entire project.
It's such a little program. I think the thing that would hang us up the most is the Hibernate, and that's just because I'm super biased to that bullcrap.
Yeah.
Anyway, I can't do it. I just can't get it to work. But I think you're right, though. It's a pretty small program. We should be able to get it done pretty quick.
So looking at this, let's see. What am I thinking? Okay, we need to sign these out. So you want to work on the eagle, the main one, this guy.
Yeah. Yep.
So I wish that we could comment this, but we can't. All right. So Justin, do you want to pick one of these two that you want to work on?
Let's see. For the controller, it doesn't matter.
Wait, how
in
do I
the
do
comments. In the comments, you just put your
that?
instead of you, put whoever else.
Okay. That's
Because I'm on that one already. I'm pretty sure.
do you have I have a question for you.
What's up?
Matt,
Okay.
can I push all of this code up there and then just we'll redo it?
Yeah, that's fine. I
Okay.
don't because I have nothing on mine.
Otherwise, I'd have to go in individually and do each one.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay.
I don't care.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, I could do find.
Okay, so find. Oh, and by the way, it's fine. Actually, you're already there, Matt. I don't. Yeah, so
Yeah,
it'll be fine.
yeah.
Okay, let me start over before I lose my mind. So find is Justin.
Yep.
How do you, Coolidge? Is that how you say that last name?
College with a G. There you go.
All right. Save that. I'll do this one.
So one thing that would be good is this is kind of what Rachel was saying she was gonna start to work through. So let's just kind of keep this here and let her just do her thing and see. She's gonna do a backlog of everything that needs to be done, including these. And so let's just wait for her to write her stuff up, and then we can put our names on that as well. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
CD team. CD bald eagle. CD eagle app. All right. So everything's in here. CD source. CD netbeans.
Let's see if that updates all my code.
Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. So I'm underneath. So sorry if I'm going fast, Justin. Does this make sense to you?
Not at all.
Okay. Okay. Let me go over this real quick. So basically, I just drilled down. As you can see right now, if I do print working directory, on my own personal computer, I've stored our team right here, Team 5360.
Okay.
That's our repository online. I've just stored it here. This is my own local machine.
Okay.
So it basically starts here. I've drilled down to the Bald Eagle folder and then to the Eagle app folder. If I come online, you'll see that here. Bald Eagle, Eagle app, and then this is everything that's underneath the Eagle app folder. So if I go back to here, I'm at the Eagle app folder right now. So if I do a list everything, it should match up. Make sense?
Yep.
All right. So then, where was it? CD source. I just changed CD.
Yeah, I got it. It was for some reason on my computer. I couldn't see any of the letters.
Oh, okay.
No.
So I'm here now. So git add. I'm just going to add everything underneath this folder that I basically created. Then I'm going to git commit everything as well. Just setting up the classes. Please review for which class is yours before editing. Okay. Right quit. Git push. Now in the cloud, everything should be up here underneath this source folder. Here we go.
Cool.
Controller, Eagle app. So the only thing it didn't push was Matt's commit. Huh. Oh, because I didn't change anything. So I think it's because I didn't change anything, so it didn't really do anything. All right. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yep. I guess
Okay.
it's just you and me. Brandon's gone, or Matt's gone.
Okay. Do you want to learn really quick? I could probably teach you faster than you watching a video.
Yeah, just real quick.
Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I just gotta get something started.
So I got that job at Oracle.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
I don't know if I'll take it though.
Oh, really?
Well, I actually have another job offer that I'm waiting to hear back on tomorrow.
Okay.
So I don't know.
It was an internship though, right?
Well, they were looking for. I mean, right now it's an internship, and they want to hire afterwards.
Okay.
And so so it's a possibility for a full-time job. But the other job I'm looking at is for web development.
Okay.
So it's kind of hard because right now on this, I could pick a path, either do database or web development. So
Yeah. They're both fun. This is my personal opinion. I would stick with
Sure.
database because I'm learning web.
Do you really like doing database though?
Yeah.
Would you prefer web or database?
I would prefer database, one, because everyone has to get to the database. And so you have to know web as well. So I'm actually learning both and I love it. Whereas if you're just web, you don't learn anything about databases. You just do strictly web. Whereas with database, I feel like I get to learn all of it, like web, database.
Well, because the other job is with Cal Ranch, and I would be their main IT guy,
Okay.
and so I would take care of the website, and so I would deal with a little bit of database, but also they want me to do their technical stuff as well, and manage all their computers and everything on site, so at their stores.
That would be a fun job.
So there's a lot of travel.
Yeah, I bet.
There's 26 hours all the way down to Arizona.
That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know if I could do that. All right, you ready?
Yep, ready. I'm looking at you.
All right, you want to share your screen?
Share my screen. Let's see. Am I going to have to download anything?
Yeah.
So let me get the Google.
Yep.
All right.
All right. Do GitHub desktop?
You type that in or go to mine?
Or type it in. GitHub desktop download.
GitHub. Oops.
There it is. And then, yep. Download. And then open up a new tab and do GitHub command line download. Installing Git downloads, the third one. And download that one.
Let's see.
So go to the setup first. Yeah, it's downloading.
Yeah.
So go to the one on the very right first.
Oops. Oh, clicked on the wrong thing. My mouse jumped. Oh, crap. I'm downloading something I don't want.
Then just click on the actual, like the figure, I think. There you go. Just open it.
There it goes. So install.
Are you taking any other classes right now?
Oh, yeah.
Which one?
I'm taking 18 credits this semester.
Oh, sweet. Same here.
So I'm taking 262.
Okay.
Let me check here. I can't remember the numbers. 262, 325, 336, 352, and 360.
What's 352?
Linux.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Operating systems.
Yeah, I'm taking 353, which is the second one.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier than the first one.
Is it?
I think so. The biggest thing is just do exactly what you do each week and don't play catch up, unless you already know what you're doing with Windows. Because I know what I'm doing in that class, so I basically put off the midterm till today.
Oh wow. No, I mean I'm caught up. I think 352 is my highest grade so far. 336 is kind of tough.
Back end.
And that's with PHP back end, yeah.
Yeah.
355 is good, and 262 is not hard. It's just confusing what the teacher wants.
What's 262?
262 is, I can't remember what the course is called. It's like analysis,
System analysis.
system analysis and design. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't take that one.
Yeah. So I'm doing a lot of UML and state diagrams and all that junk.
Oh, I did do that one. That was a stupid class.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
All right.
So I got. Oh wait, I can't move this over. Or can I? Okay, that's there. So and then I get the welcome GitHub. So
can you pull it over?
It won't let me pull it over for some reason.
Oh, because you probably just have to sign up first, and then you can pull it over. Put your credentials for GitHub in.
See if I remember my password. Login failed. Shoot. It's been a while since I logged into this. Oh, I guess I got it.
Now you should be able to pull it over.
So now it's going to the find local repositories. I guess I'll skip that. There we go. Okay.
Click on the plus on the left.
Plus.
Click clone at the top. Click the 360 one. Click the plus at the bottom. Oh, and then you choose where you want it. Most people put it there in GitHub.
It's in there, GitHub.
Yeah, just click OK. Okay, now open your NetBeans.
NetBeans.
Click open new project, or open existing project actually.
Is it this one?
Yep.
Open project.
Go to that. And then go to Bald Eagle.
Bald Eagle.
Eagle app.
Eagle app.
Sweet.
There you
Now
go.
you have all of that code that we just did. Now we need to install that Ming thing. So if you go back to your web browser. Yeah, any of those. They're all the same.
I don't know why I downloaded 3 times. Let's see. There. Set up. Oh, shoot. Next. Sure. Next. Sure, why not? Use Git from Windows?
Yes. Yep. 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 That installs. It's gonna install Ming. That basically that weird Git bash thing you're seeing. So you're gonna just do Linux.
And it's basically like a Linux terminal, right?
Yeah. It just creates your Windows environment in a Linux worldish.
Gotcha.
And then launch. And that you can undo the more view in the release notes. And then it's at the bottom, so now you can CD to whatever their directory is. LS.
Let's see, where am I right now? Mean 64.
So PWD shows your directory.
I'm adjusting right now. So
CD, do LS minus LRT.
LS minus what?
LRT. So now CD to your documents.
CD to my docs. There's that.
Just type DOC, and then you can put an asterisk.
An asterisk. Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Shift 8 after doc.
Shift 8.
Yep. And then it takes you to documents, and then do LS. CD GitHub, just like it's spelled in there. So I think you have to do capital.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, and you put E.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
And then CLS. CDT, capital T, asterisk. Since that's the only file in there, that just does a wildcard. LS.
Gotcha.
CD, bald eagle, so BA, and then asterisk. LS.
And then Eagle app.
Yep.
Eagle app. And source.
Yep.
And there it is.
Yep. And then our Java classes, I think, are inside of there.
The Eagle app, right?
Yours, I think, are under mine, and yours are under
the controller.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
Yep.
And then find. Cool.
So basically, once you're ready, you would just do. You can write these down if you want, like on a sticky note.
Yeah, I was gonna write them down. So, so I go to the controller file, and once I've created mine, how do I commit and push?
Okay. So go to your NetBeans really quick. Go to your, go that one. Add a line with like a comment in it.
Whoops. So that won't work. Just over here.
Then save it. All right, then go back to your Ming thing. Now you'll notice here, I showed him a git add dot.
Yeah.
That is specifically only when you add a file. So for example, those two files are already there, right?
Uh-huh.
You technically don't have to do git add because you're not adding any files.
I'm just updating or uploading.
Yeah.
Already
So
existing file.
Yeah, so you're just doing it because there's changes now. So you do git commit.
Now do I do git like that?
Yep.
Okay.
And then it says commit, and then put the file name. Put a space. So find eagle. I think
eagle.java.
Enter. Then you press I. Insert your comments. This is my app, or whatever you want to do.
This is my
class, I guess.
Yeah, my class.
Then press escape.
Escape. Quit right.
Colon first. Shift colon.
That's right.
WQ. Oh, you gotta do it the other
Oops,
way
I did
around.
it backwards. Dyslexia.
And then git push.
Okay.
And it's gonna probably prompt you for a password at the bottom.
It wants a security.
You security people on Windows. Just kidding. And then it goes through and boom, you're done.
Wow. Okay.
And then really quick, if you go to the GitHub desktop thing, down at the bottom, the third one from the right. So if you want to pull down everyone's changes, like let's say you haven't been on for a while, you just want to make sure you have all the changes that everyone's made, even though we're only editing our own, but let's say you just want to view someone else's, you
Yeah.
click on the sync button on the right. There's a way to do it from the command line. I think it's like git sync or something, but I just haven't done it, so I just use that.
Okay.
But you could probably Google it and just say, how do I sync from the command line? And then you don't even have to use that application.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
So there you go.
I'm all set. Awesome. So when are we wanting this class done by?
So we'll probably next 2 weeks. Probably need to have it done. It would be preferable to have it done next week because I'd rather just get the class done with by 2 weeks and be like, yeah, I'm done. And then if anyone needs to work on any other things, it's really not that big of an
I'll
ask.
have as much as I can do, and then I'm sure it'll be wrong. And so we'll see if we need to make what changes we need to make, and then I'll give you another week to correct it. So
Okay, sounds good.
cool. All right.
All right,
set.
see you later.
Thanks. See ya.